everyone, so I just finished working and right now I'm going to the airport. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here in Australia. Right now I'm going to the airport. I'll be flying to Sydney, and you know what, you guys can use a train station from Perth Station and you guys can go to the airport. Like, you'll arrive right in the airport wherever it is, in domestic or international. You can use this. So this is Perth Station and I'm just gonna go downstairs. And today guys, it's like 41 degrees, so it's really hot. Let's go. Okay, and we're going this is the wrong one. Ternyata salah platform. Panas banget, 41 derajat guys, bener-bener udah bener-bener kayak kebakar. Even the lift nggak ada lift, nggak ada AC, kayak panas. Guys, jadi sekarang kita udah di platform 8. 2 menit lagi. So guys, as you guys can see here, it's not just me who is bringing luggage, but there's also a few other people that I believe they're going to the airport. Oke guys, kalau kalian bisa lihat di sini, kita ini menuju ke Airport Central, yaitu ke jalur High Wycombe. Fun fact guys, di Perth untuk sekarang sampai bulan Februari, ini semua public transport itu free. Tapi dengan satu syarat, yaitu kalian harus punya Smart Rider atau kartu yang untuk public transport. Banget gak sih guys, untuk hari-hari libur high season, tapi mereka adain free kemana aja, dari ujung sampai ujung pun free guys. And this is one of the reasons why I like Perth, is because sometimes they offer free transportation, not like other cities or states probably. Okay guys, so as you guys can see right now, I'm stepping out from the train and I've arrived in the Airport Central, and it's such a huge train station, I would say, and it's my first time going from Perth Station to the Airport Central directly. Oke guys, di sini aku udah sampai di Airport Central dan kalian bisa lihat ini kalian gak usah bingung lah, pokoknya sih no charge guys. Jadi basically kalian hanya mengikuti jejak kemana kalian mau pergi, yaitu tujuannya either ke Terminal 1 atau Terminal 2, domestik ataupun internasional, jalurnya sama dan kalian gak perlu bingung karena udah jelas banget, kayak dikasih penjelasannya di tembok atau directionnya udah jelas banget lah pokoknya. Oke guys, nah karena aku mau ke Sydney, Obviously, aku harus ke Terminal 1 Domestic Airport. Dan sekarang ini aku lagi jalan menuju Terminal 1 Domestic Airport. It's super easy and it's free, guys. Nggak perlu bayar untuk naik transport ke airport. One of the reason I like Perth is because as you guys can see here, it's not very crowded, nggak rame di sini, dan it's very peaceful, it's very quiet. But here is the downside. Okay guys, so we just keep on walking until the destination, which is to the airport. You guys can see here, Terminal 1 Domestic, or departures. So don't worry if you guys are going to domestic departures because it's connected. Hooray! I made it to the domestic airport Terminal 1. Now I have to check in my luggage and I'm so ready to go to Sydney. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Airport. Okay guys, so fun fact, there was a bit of an issue and I had to deal with it, but thankfully I got my ticket back, which I have bought from Perth to Sydney because I bought direct, but they thought that I was gonna stop in Brisbane, but then I showed them that I am going to Sydney directly, so they made it happen even though I have to sit at the back.
Sekarang aku udah sampai di airport, di domestic airline-nya, dan sekarang aku lagi makan chicken burger. Tempat makannya.
Okay guys, as you guys can see right now, I'm in the airline and it's very beautiful like the sunset. But anyways, I am now here in Sydney Airport. I've arrived in Sydney Airport, domestic airport, and I'm taking my luggage now. I'm taking Uber, and as you guys can see, the view is really nice. You guys can see the Darling Harbour over there and the cruise as well. It's really nice. And fun fact guys, Sydney is 3 hours ahead from Perth.
Hi guys, finally arrived in Sydney. Terus sekarang ini udah jam 1-an gitu, udah malam banget. Jadi kayak mau siap-siap bubur dulu, and then we'll see you tomorrow.
Hai guys, lupa banget untuk kasih tahu kalian, tapi kalian kalau kemanapun kalian harus berjaga-jaga dan berhati-hati, karena yang aku belum ceritain dari video ini, when I went to the airport, terus kan yang pas lagi aku makan burger itu, tiba-tiba ada a stranger, terus kayak dia duduk di sebelah aku, terus kayak dia pokoknya aneh banget lah, terus dia kayak nanya aku namanya siapa, asalnya dari mana. Terus habis kejadian itu, dia juga nanya, kayak nanyanya berulang-ulang kali gitu. Terus aku yang kayak feel uncomfortable. Terus kayak dia minta aku untuk beliin dia minuman, bukan sekedar minuman tapi beer. And I was like, sorry nggak bisa gitu kan. Terus kayak pokoknya dia act-nya beda banget, terus kayak bener-bener aneh. Dan akhirnya untungnya kayak ada bapak-bapak di depan aku, terus aku kayak bilang ke dia kayak, kamu nanya aja langsung ke bapak-bapak itu. Terus dia nanya lagi ke aku kayak, kamu asalnya dari mana? Terus aku jawab, tapi kayak habis itu dia kayak pergi nanya bapak-bapak itu, terus habis itu dia menghilang. Terus akhirnya kayak dia, I don't know where he went. Terus akhirnya kayak aku langsung kayak nyari kayak security. Terus akhirnya kayak pas banget aku lihat security yang lagi antri. Security-nya itu ada cowok ada cewek, jadi aku kayak langsung ke mereka pas lagi mereka antri makanan. Dan akhirnya aku kasih tahu mereka kayak ini ada orang aneh nih, kayak ada itu kayak bapak-bapak itu kayak nanya yang aneh, terus kayak minta aku beli minuman gitu. Terus kayak mereka bilang kayak oh, why don't you sit with us. Terus akhirnya aku kayak pas belum selesai makan itu aku duduk sama mereka. Terus pas lagi makan tuh kayak yang stranger yang nanya ke aku itu kayak kelihatan kan, lihat aku sama kayak these two securities gitu kan. Terus akhirnya kayak aku bilang ke security-nya itu orangnya. Terus akhirnya kayak oh okay, thanks for letting us know, nanti kalau misalnya next time kayak gini lagi kamu harus kasih tahu gitu. Akhirnya kayak aku langsung dibawa ke untuk penungguan airline-nya, walaupun masih lama tapi kayak benar-benar dianterin. Dan akhirnya kayak they're handling kayak mungkin I don't know what happened next, tapi ya you guys have to be careful wherever you guys are, especially if you guys traveling alone. Dan kalau misalnya kalian perempuan juga harus hati-hati. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like watching the video, and next stop kalian stay tune untuk video-video selanjutnya. Thank you guys.